Hey guys, Animus Travels and Travels with Animus here. Like, follow, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments. So, just want to let you know, and there have been breaking earthquake reports happening pretty much all day today. Diablo, Grant, California, near San Francisco, has been having some minor quakes that have been doing some aftershocks lately. The recent one is a 4.20 quake. I don't think anyone was seriously hurt though. And then there was the one in Wesley, California, between Oakland and Hayward, which was a 4.5 something quake. I forget what it was. But yeah, that's what's been happening lately today. Also, somewhat of a late-breaking news from Disney World, Magic Kingdom. An actual bear has somewhat gotten onto Tom Sawyer's Island that I heard from on TikTok. And as well as from another guy that was making this recording about it. And so I know that it's actually been confirmed about this. It's a blackish brown bear. And this is an actual bear. They have a copter keeping an eye on it. Or kept an eye on it. I don't know if things have been settled yet. But Liberty Square, Tom Sawyer's Island, and the other areas, and at least the two nearby areas, lands in that area. Oh, Frontierland and Adventureland there was shut down because of it. And because those lands are shut down, they had some people asking for their money back because things were backed up. Well, and that should be it for now. Until next time, everyone, stay tuned.